Today I'm gonna be making a video about Flood Escape 2. Today I'm gonna be playing on a private server. Yeah, it's only me. I'm only level 11, as you can see. Yeah, I just bought the Frost Guard like I think 2 days ago. I got bored and yeah. Okay, today we're gonna be playing. Yeah, we're gonna show you how one person can do all of this. I have 40 gems. I don't feel like logging into insane because I can't do insane by myself. There's too many buttons. Alright, let's go do that. Alright, we go get that button. Oh shoot. Let's go. Shoot, I fell back. You go in there and then you keep going. I need better animation. I have robot animation. They don't let you have animation in this game, by the way. Okay, gang. As you guys can see, I'm better than some pros. Like, I'm so good, they should let me, in this. Yo, tell me what our gang should be like. If you're watching this video, please subscribe, like, put the notifications on. I'm gonna try my best to upload a video every day. Mostly on Roblox. Oh shoot, I just got text from Snapchat. Ignore that. See, look, I barely survived. Oh my god. Ignore that. Okay, this one I'm not gonna survive, guys. I'm just warning you right now. Okay. Guys, if I get at least, I'm saying at least. Oh, I'm saying at least 500 likes on this video. I swear. I'm gonna give. Oh shoot! I'm gonna give out. No. Come on, that's not even a lot. Wait. If I get 800 likes on this video, 100. No, okay, fine. 800 likes on this video. If I get 800 likes on this video, I will give away a $50 Roblox gift card for Robux. I will give away $25 Roblox gift card. I will give away a $10 Roblox gift card. The first person to subscribe, leave a comment below, and keep the notifications on, will get a free they're gonna get 2 Roblox $50 gift cards. I swear I'm not kidding. Yeah, okay, you guys just want to swim around?
Yeah.
Let's just swim around for a few seconds. Don't you guys just wish you could be like in first place? Yup, that's me. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see who's in first. Short. Yeah, short round Zach. This is OSV or something. And in third place is Sky Blue 14. You guys want to talk to him? Sure, let's talk. He says, "Hey there, I'm Ghostly_X. I'm a huge, don't ignore her, fan of this game." Okay, should I say, do you know secrets of this place? Can you give me advice better? Let's just act like I don't know how to play. Press the button, swim fast, grab that air tank, work together. Oh, thanks. Oh my god. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, wait. Stop following me, you creep. Okay, guys, he's following me. If I hide away from this guy, you guys, Everybody that's watching this video must subscribe. Ha, he can't follow me no more. Ha, I hid from him. Okay. 800 subscribers, remember everything. Alright. Goodbye, guys. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you very much.